Hello, pretty poor girl. Are you going my way? Can I give you a lift?
Pardon?
I said, are you going my way? Can I help you?
Is that how you insult people?
Insult people? But I didn't insult you. I just said, are you going my way? I wanted to help you. I mean, it's obvious that you don't have a car. You're standing under the sun. So your face is getting dark. And I'm offering to help you because you look poor. Listen, are you coming in or not? I'm just trying to help you.
It's okay, but you have to take it easy with your...
I just want to help you. I'm helping you. I'm doing you a favor. Come in or I drive.
I've heard you, but you have to take it easy with your insults.
My friend, come in. Wait. Before you come in, can you kindly dust your shoes? You see, my car is very neat. I don't want you staying in my car. It's so simple. Dust your shoes. Dust them before you come in. My car is neat. And I'm a neat guy, so I don't want you staying in my car. No, wait. Dust the second one.
Papa, please, take this wine. Pray for me, so we can have the main celebration.
Hey yo! Yes!
Olivia,
Papa.
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of that question, Donatus? Donatus! What is the meaning of that question? She said that you should pray for her over this car, and you are asking her what is the meaning of this.
Papa, I don't understand your question. I only gave you a wine to open up and pray for me. Your daughter has a new car. Aren't you supposed to be happy?
Olivia.
Papa.
You see this pit? Before it gets dried, I need you to get yourself and this thing out of my compound. Now!
Meaning what? Donatus, no! Meaning what? What is the meaning of this pit? Take what out of this compound? Look, don't just start. Don't start again, no! Hey. Don't start, I did not warn you. Don't start again, no!
Mama, Papa is right. How can your daughter who is still schooling buy a car as big as this one? And you're supporting her?
Where did she get the money from?
Where?
Good!
What?
Papa, get her again! How dare you? Get her again! Slap her more!
What is the meaning of that? Why did you slap her? Okay, now I will go in there. By the time I come out and you are still here with this your thing, then I will show you why they call me Donatus. Idiot!
You are nothing like Donatus. You are Dona nothing. Dona nonsense. That is what you are. I am telling you that in fact, nothing meaningful is attached to Donatus. Don't think there's anything you can do. You can't do anything, Donatus.
It's alright.
Yes, so
you will see. Let's go inside.
You cannot donate anything. Papa, what you do is not at all. There's nothing attached to donatus. Nothing at all. What is wrong with Papa? Just forget about him. Papa, I'm going to happy I'm here. Is he going to be a little bit of proof? Oh my, which of my mates have this kind of guy in this place? Tell me, Mama. Don't worry, I'm ready for him. Mama, the main important thing in our land is going to land over. So I can put Chineke Maya. And the more son of a Chineke. Hey! What?
Hey! Sister! Hey! Sister! Hey! Sister! Hey! Sister! Hey! Oh! Sister! Hey! What is it? Why you shouting my name like that? Sister! Hey! Hey! Sister! Go and fence! Look for a nearby bush and hide your face! Hey! Ginika! Sister! What Gini? Hey! Why are you screaming my name like that? Sister, what I'm about to say, it will shake you. Just go and hide, oh! Go and fence! Hey! 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 Ginika! Hey! Alo Adekwagi? Keifo! What is it? Your friend Olivia is back! And this time around she came with a very big and expensive car. She said, if you see this car, hey! If you see this car, she's over! Hey! Hey! Thank you! Hey! Wait. Which Olivia are you talking about? Your friend now! Which other one do you know? Wait. Hey! She came back with another big car. A very big and expensive car. Sister, if you see this car, hey! It's shining at you. Wait. Bigger than the one she had before. Sister, this car, no man in this village have that kind of car. Go and see for yourself now. Jesus, boy, if you see this car, hey! If you stand in front of it, you'll be seeing yourself. It's shining like hey! Start thinking. It's better you start thinking. Think. Start, because you're a very fine girl. You're slacking. Hey! If you see this car, hey! That girl is too sharp. Very smart girl. Hey, Olivia is too smart. Fine girl. It's better you think of thinking like this is very happy. What is it? Hey! Fine girl! Hey! Olivia is too smart. Jesus, but if you see this car, this car is taller than the both of us now. If you see this car, hey! If you stand in front of it, you see yourself. This car is good. Think, oh yes! You're a fine girl. Think, so that you will know what to do. Hey! Olivia is a very... Hey! Sometimes I wish it's my sister. Sister, if you see the car.
No, leave me. Leave me.
I will not leave you.
Leave me.
I will not leave you.
I will hit you. I will hit you.
Hit me, I will bite you at your danger zone. If you hit me, I will bite you at your danger zone.
Did you hear? No, look at my headquarters. Yes, you want to bite it? Yes.
I bite it off and feed it to you.
I will bite it off.
This is my sweat. You can't do anything.
Look, I will set this car ablaze. Yes, I will set it ablaze.
I will not allow you.
You will not. I will burn you also. I will burn you also.
Papa, please. I am begging you, I'm on my knees. This is my sweat. Get this car you're seeing here.
Your sweat? Where did the money come from? Where? From where? From where? I will burn this car. What is going on here, Donatus? Hey! Ted, look. Offer this thing. What is going on here? Offer? Yes. If you love both of them, tell them to take this thing out of this compound now. If not, I will show them why they call me Donatus.
Yes. You are not called Donatus for any just reason. No reason for you to answer Donatus. Take him out of this place. He wants to burn the car that Olivia, my daughter, bought.
No, yet I mean Olivia bought a car?
Yes.
Oh. Another one? Oh. The other time she came with a small one. Now look at this big one. Where did she get the money? Where did she get the money? Tell them to take this thing from here. Tell them. Calm down, Donatus. Just calm down. Don't worry. We will talk about this thing. Calm down. Don't. You see, this is why I don't like you. Calm down. Calm down. Let's talk about it. Madam, take your daughter inside. Huh? Come, give me this thing. Don't do it. We will talk about it. We know where we are going to talk about it.
But all I know is that this car must not spend a night here. If not, I will set it ablaze. I will even burn you. I will burn you. I will burn you.
Let's go and talk about it. Let's go and talk about it. Don't worry. Madam, take her inside. Let's talk about it. You, keep this other one there. Don't allow them to bomb into accident. It's wrong.
Look, I don't like it. This is I don't like
Let's
it.
go.
I don't like it.
We will talk about it. We don't want to.
Don't look at the big car that she brought. Where did she get the money?
That is
because
what I will tell you.
Donatus.
Let's go so that we can talk about it. Take it.
Take on as so many minutes. Now, quick, Donatus so that so many minutes. Nonsense. What do we do? Are you panicking because of Donatus? Eh? You are panicking because of your father. This car is not going anywhere. This car must be here. Let Donatus do his worst. In fact, there's no worse about Donatus. He can't even do anything. Else I will kill him and become emergency widow.
Ah, yes. Hey, Mama, you want to kill Papa because of Olivia's car? Because of this car? You want to kill Papa? Hey!
Oh, I'm losing it up. Lose it up. Lose it up. Lose it up. I will kill you. Lose it up.
Like this, you think we want to live this kind of life? Now, Mama is a drunk.
Now you're back.
No. How can I be back? I'm still there. The animals refuse to let me go.
But brother, this one you're hanging something there. What's inside?
Don't cross to this bag. Don't cross here. Whatever in this bag is meant for my love only. It's for Tessie. The bushmeat there is for Tessie. Let me go and trade this thing. I'll go and give it to her. Where is Papa?
But you want to take this to Tessie again?
What do you mean? Tessie again?
But what about us in the? What about us now?
Who are us?
Me and Papa.
You and Papa are us. Eh? So I've been bringing bushmeat here every day. I will not give to my love. Are you my love? Eh? What's wrong with you? Jeku, that is your boyfriend who is doing fishing. How many times have he given you fish? Has he ever given you fish? Nonsense. Don't go close there. If you go close there, what I will do to you, you will not like it. That is very foul.
But that is good, foul.
No. No, come go meet. Malawi goat. Once you open that door, you see Malawi goat. Not guinea fowl.
I don't wait, Papa.
Oh, here you are. What kept you?
What did you say?
I have been waiting for you. You just went upstairs. I have been waiting for you. You just went upstairs.
Really? So what if you've been waiting for me? Huh? Are you not supposed to wait? What does that mean? And what are you drinking? Who gave you?
Your girl served me.
My girl served you?
Yes.
Did you ask for this wine? Who asked you to take this wine? Or you instructed her to give you this one? You didn't see water? Eh? You didn't see Coke? You didn't see Fanta? I'm asking you!
Please.
Listen, sit down. The next time you come into my house, you ask questions first. You hear me? Don't go asking for drinks. You came into my house and instructed my girl to give you my wine, my bottle of wine. You see how greedy you are? You didn't even ask questions. You didn't even ask me if I want to, take a glass. You just finished everything because you're hungry. You see how hungry you are?
I did not see you. How would I have asked you?
My friend, shut up. That's what you all do. You just go around drinking and eating people's money. That's what you do. Do you know how I make the money? Do you know how I make the money?
I'm sorry. Do not happen again.
Just imagine you have finished it. You didn't even ask me if I wanted some.
I did not see you. I did not see you now. How would I ask you? I'm sorry.
Touch it again.
I brought these things for you. Only to be happy. Why are you dulling my spirit? What is the problem?
How long will I continue to eat bushmeat? Ezenwa, tell me, how long? Look at my mates. Going and coming back every time with big cars. And you expect me to sit in this village and be eating your bushmeat? Nah, Eri. I am tired. I don't want to eat again.
Why are you talking like this? You talk as if you don't know my plans again. Listen, let me tell you, I have big plans. I am making serious plans for you and I. As I'm talking to you now, I am making a very big plans on how to be distributing bushmeat all over the state. You know, as a question, the one that's working with the government house. I have gone to meet him. Can't you see? Can't you see that I'm working hard? I have gone to meet the man so that he will connect me to the governor. By the time governor make it mandatory that every joint, pepper soup joint in this state get bushmeat from me. Can't you see? I've blown. I've made it. So calm down for me. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. We ended in love. Calm down. See, let me tell you. I will tell you another big plans I have. I have made plans on how to be supplying bushmeat abroad. Supply bushmeat to people that are in the plane. So people can be eating something good in the plane. I know people say when you enter plane, they offer you one thing, they offer you tea, offer you biscuit. Is that what people should be eating after paying that kind of money inside plane? People should offer bushmeat. So that is my plan now. Can't you see? It's a good idea, isn't it?
I'm ashamed of you.
Ashamed of me for supplying bushmeat in the plane? Hey, you don't know it's a big plan.
And then we fell again, man. Just look at what you're saying. Look at what you're saying, no. Can you even hear yourself talk?
I'm hearing myself.
You want to be supplying bushmeat in the plane. You've contacted governor. What did you say?
Governor.
I'm ashamed of you. Bushmeat money is not the kind of money that I want. It's not the kind of money that I seek.
What kind of money do you want?
I want big money now. Money that can buy me big cars and houses. That is the money I want. And distributing or selling bushmeat cannot give it to you. I am tired of this poverty. I am tired.
Listen, calm down. See, let me tell you. Bushmeat. Big one is 6,000. Big one is 6,000. Now, calculate it when I make like 1,000 bushmeat. And 6,000.
Can you buy
it? Will buy you a, yes, now. It will buy you a car.
It can't. What are you even saying?
6,000 times 1,000 will buy you a car. Any kind of car. Car is car. That is what I'm telling you, baby. Calm down. I have big plans. By the time I finish with these plans now, you see, let me tell you, I have business name. That's the Wnted Bushmeat Holdings. You see? Did you know that I have this sense? That's the Wnted Bushmeat Holdings. Can't you see? Now, let me tell you, by the time any day you enter plane, see somebody eating bushmeat, tell the person it is my husband's business. It's my husband's idea.
I ask again, how did I end up with you?
You ended in love. Is it not love? Let me tell you. See, everybody in this village will bear me witness that I'm trying. Who else in this village, any man in this village can be dating you and you are colored men like this? That's why I've been fighting tooth and nail. To make sure that your color did not fade. Ginika, come.
Hey.
Yes.
Biko, carry this thing and go and prepare it for dinner. Hey. Oh.
Yes. Add it enough pepper. Enough pepper and yes, make sure on our chamber. But so that if you're having catarrh or running stomach or even a fever, it will
My
go.
sister does not have any of this thing you're
No,
calling.
it's not about your sister. It's about all of you.
Sister, let me.
Do it well. Because if you're having fever, chronic stomach or catarrh.
My sister does not have any of these things. So this is your... So it's true. Sorry, excuse me. Hey, stop it. Who are you? I mean, you look like some poverty-stricken, wretched urchin. Who the fuck are you? What do you think you are? I don't understand. Why do you think you have the guts to touch my car like that? Are you all over the village? Further more, move. A little bit more, move towards the wall, please. Damn. So because you think you knew me before, you don't think you have the guts to walk to my car and touch it? Do you want to fill my car with your poverty? It's me. It's so weak. Don't touch my car again. Shut the hell up. Shut up, please. Let me talk. Now you listen to me. It was before and now is no longer the same. I am Olivia. If you're the next time you will stop like that again, I will crush you. Get out.
No one knows tomorrow.
Ogadi. Why did you walk past me just like that? Didn't you see me? I saw you. Tessie, I saw you. Or is this not Tessie again? Pico, I don't know what you want from me. But now that you have known that I saw you, what do you want from me? What is it that you want from me? Tessie, don't call my name if you don't have anything good to say to me again. Don't even try it. Do not try it. Okay, Cherupa, wait. Is it me, Tessie, you're talking to like that? Wait. Are you trying to insult me or you're already insulting me? Because and if I insult you, what will you do? Tell me why I should not insult you. Chimo. Tessie, leave my brother alone. Tessie, leave everyone to be useful with his life for his family. What is it? Somebody will not rest for you again. Pico, do not call me if you don't have anything to say to me. Leave me alone. Ogadi, are you okay? Are you normal at all? Wait, do you realize it's me you're talking to? Tessie! No, I do not know. Why will I know? I am stupid. I am very stupid not to know that it's Tessie, the almighty Tessie I'm talking to. But let me warn you. Any day I see this your overripe leg in my compound again, Tessie, you will not like what I'll do to you. Just be rest assured. What is it? Don't walk on the road, that is the problem. I cannot walk free again. What of you? If my brother has back, I'll have to back. What is it me, Tessie, that this brat just insulted right now? I will have to go and see Olivia later. Everyone will see me in my house now. Everyone will see me at
Now, Mama is a drunk. Mama is a drunk. Because of this, your wealth, Jimo. Overnight, a gasuma. Overnight, a gasuma. Tell me.
Donna, you're awake. Hope you slept well. No, I am still sleeping. I'm not awake. Can't you see me snoring? I know you are so drunk that you cannot even see that I am awake.
Hey!
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Donatus! What do you mean?
You should be ashamed of yourself. Yes. Can you imagine yourself? Early morning like this, you're already drinking. In fact, you are so drunk that you assume or you see that I am sleeping while I'm awake. Can you see yourself? You are finished. You are finished. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh. Yes. Now, let's forget about you because you are finished. What lesson are you teaching the girls in this house? Tell me.
Bcos Donatus, how can you just wake up this early morning and start doing me woo, Nkegi? What is all this? Nonsense. Let me tell you, Donatus, this is early morning. Allow me to flex myself. Allow me. And I mean, it is not my fault that my daughter wants me to enjoy myself. I'm enjoying.
Good. You call this one enjoyment?
Yes.
I should allow you to flex yourself.
Yes.
Get up now. Start flexing, let me see.
Flexing?
No, flex, let me see.
Flexing.
Drunk. Look, all you do in this house from morning till night is to drink yourself to stupor. My only prayer for you, you know that saying that it is too late when the head is chopped off. My prayer is that it shouldn't be too late before you realize yourself. You are finished.
You are finished.
You are finished, I'm telling you.
You are finished.
Okay.
Donatus, you are finished. Let me tell you the truth. Enjoyment is free. Happiness is also free of charge. Allow me to enjoy myself now that I am still young. Very, very young. I am young, you know.
You see how foolish you are. In fact, you are an idiot. Go and look at your hair. See grey hair all over. And you are deceiving yourself that you are young.
You see our age.
This one now, you are calling it enjoyment. Okay, continue to enjoy yourself.
Donatus, you see our
But let me warn you. Don't say Donatus Okore did not warn you. When the effect, the consequences of all the things you are doing to yourself from this drink will begin to reappear, by the time they will begin to manifest, I will not be there to support you. But I will continue to tell you, each time I see you drinking, I must carry you. You are not
Donatus, this every morning.
Brother, please no. Brother, no.
You better me to fall down. You better get off from there. Get off from there now. I will drag you. You know I don't have shame. I will drag you. Get off from there now. 1, 2. You must follow me.
What is it? Why are you dragging her like this?
If you know what she did now, you will not say this thing you said now. Can you imagine? Tell her to get off from there now and follow me to your house. To apologize to your sister. My lover, she insulted.
She insulted my own sister.
Can you imagine?
Let me join her with you.
Get off.
Papa!
Get off. Yeah, Moreka.
Mama,
Take these clothes, go and wash them.
eh? Mama, leave me. Oh, I'm not going to wash any clothes. I've been the one doing all the house chores in this house. Olivia have not even done anything.
What did you just say? Are you Olivia's mate? Anoreka? Anoreka, do you know how Olivia is struggling day and night to make her money?
Mama, that one is not my business. So how she makes her money is not my business at all. I'm not going to wash any clothes.
I will know you and I who is the captain in this house. Aya, hi, Kamasonye for captain.
Oh my no.
Stop. What is it that you want to kill her? You want to kill my daughter?
It is better she's dead. She's useless.
It is you that is useless. And it is you that will die. What is it? Angry.
Papa.
What is she accusing you of this time?
Papa, because I refuse to wash Olivia's clothes, Mama wants to kill me.
What? You want to kill my daughter because of Olivia's clothes? Is she your house girl? This girl has been working in this house this morning.
Oh.
Don't you want her to rest? Eh? What is happening to Olivia? Is she handicapped? Can she wash her own clothes? What is it?
Donatus, why are you spoiling this girl? No second jogging. Why are you spoiling her? Is it a bad thing if she wash Olivia's clothes?
Yes! Capital yes, it is a bad thing. Why should she wash Olivia's clothes? Is she her house girl? Eh? Is Olivia not having hands?
Just tell your daughter, the one you gave birth to, as you claimed. Tell her to go and make her own money. Since she doesn't want to serve her rich sister, better. Go and make your own money. Ano mpama. Mpama de megai, inano ya. Mpama ade megai. Donatus, say the truth for once and shame the devil. Donatus, in the history of your family, has anyone ever bought bicycle? Talk more of motorcycle. No. But Olivia, my pride, my beautiful daughter, has set that record. Instead of you to be happy that she did it, she did what you could not do. Since your bachelorhood, you have been struggling to make money. You have been able to gain nothing. Now your daughter has done it. Instead of you to appreciate it, you become jealous. Why? Why are you like this?
Nonye, can you see that you are a complete idiot? You are stupid. In fact, no, not just that. You are insane. The Akpitechi has completely rearranged your medulla oblongata. So you don't even know what you are saying anymore.
No,
how do you expect my daughter to serve your daughter? How can you even regurgitate that one from your mouth? That she should serve your daughter? God forbid, to fiakwa. Now let me answer you one by one. You are talking of poverty. Can you recall how I met you? No, can you? Your family that will soak gari in the evening and allow you to sweat in the next morning before they take it.
Shigi, this is cover up. See, cover up story.
Let me not wash your dirty linen before our daughter.
No, I will spare you. No, but don't spare me. If you are saying the truth, why can't you spare? Why will you spare me? Say the truth. Where did you get me? Because I
wait. I will spare you that one. But let me tell you something. I can never, I repeat, never celebrate wealth that I don't know where it came from. Not that Olivia proved to us that this is the legitimate thing that she's doing to make that money. I will never celebrate with you. You hear me? Angry?
Papa,
let's go inside.
Oh, yes, go.
Open your mouth and apologize to her right now before I give you another sounding slap with loudspeaker.
Brother, look at what you're doing to me. Your only sister, is this fair? Hey, will you shut up your dirty mouth there? If not for your brother, I would have beaten you blue black. Are you stupid? You have the boldness to insult my sister. Is she your mate? Let her start begging me now. She should start begging me now.
I told you you won't like what will happen to you.
Didn't I? You have the nerves to rain insults at me. What did I do wrong? What crime did I commit? Loving your brother, when has it become a crime? Tell me! Stupid girl. Will you marry your brother? I ask, will you marry him?
For where? Huh? Is it not our father's lover? I said... Open your mouth and beg! Open your mouth and beg now! Beg now! I said beg now!
But I see you're going to regret this one. You're beating me.
Can you imagine? Beg now! Beg now! Beg! Beg!
Okay,
beg now!
I'll beg. I'm so sorry.
Open your mouth well! Say it!
I am sorry. Thank you.
Who have you gone? Also? Next time, you don't dare rain insults at me. I am not your mate. Tomorrow you will end up with another person's brother. That is how life is.
Thank you.
Just let her go.
I have let her go.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Tessie.
Thank you, Tessie.
Is it Casey?
Say it loud.
Thank you, Tessie.
Madam, open your mouth and say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, get up and go home.
Just look at.
Get up and go home and wait for me for second round
She
of
has
slap.
made me to be sick.
Rubbish nonsense you. My love, sorry. Let her go. Don't worry.
Just look at what she has done to me. Now I'm beginning to feel sick.
My baby, sorry. Look at this nonsense girl. Very ugly. Eh? I said, can you be as beautiful as my baby? I said, let me marry a beautiful woman that will give me beautiful children. Because my father is very ugly. Eh? And you want to insult her? Try it again. Nonsense. I will still come back home and meet you. My baby, sorry. Sorry.
No, I'm even running temperature. Just imagine.
Because of the insult?
Yes, no, the insult was much.
Insult to the point very heavy. But don't worry, she has collected as equivalent as the insult. Sorry. See, you go and get a paracetamol with quinine.
No, I don't.
Quinine.
I don't want, please.
Baby.
Let me rush and see Olivia, right? Okay. I'll be back. Just wait for me.
You don't have to worry. Your home is my home. I'll be here waiting for you. Eh? Go. When you are going, you look well. Don't hit your leg on the stone.
I will.
Yes. Walk well, no? Should I come and see you up?
Clean my body.
Oh, sorry.
You're beating me. That's clean.
Mommy, sorry. Don't worry, go. I'm waiting for you. Your home is my home.
My beautiful sister.
Yes,
my beautiful lover. My beautiful lover.
Next time I will play ahead.
Don't say her.
Olivia, one name be coming. God's up for me now. I am begging you, see, if you want me to kneel down, Olivia, I will kneel down for you. Just to show you how serious I am.
Sissy, get up first now. Get up, you're embarrassing me. What's this one now?
I will not get up until you tell me this mauzo.
My sister, I know
show me where you people they see this morning.
We don't do. Listen, I know that they talk somewhere you follow person with no road. But for you to get into this particular road I'm talking about, any deal will be ago.
Ha!
What begin it? But when did it start? What I go?
Metuni makano obi now. Obi mad go no obi lewa gom. Adim serious kita me for bu nisem me. It's a good woman man nam. No ande mutana ni iwu kwa hozo. No ki go simuzo.
That's it.
I'm desperate.
What are you? This is stop this. Just get up. Get up.
That's up you.
This is exactly how it's supposed to be. It is good that you knelt down before her.
I'm a Kowarian and the desperate.
I forgot your liver. Obigi bagote. Desi, come.
Mama, you alone me. What are you?
Enwere ncha nkọta, nwee ncha mbenye. A ga-ebenye gị ncha, konye gị ncha.
Please don't commit.
I have everything it takes. Oh, just relax. come, these are Olivia's clothes. Please help me to spread them. I have already finished washing.
Olivia, Biko. Mama, you open me up. Don't worry, I get picture. Just look at me and my poor sisters. See our condition. Every day things get worse. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Ever since the death of my parents, I've been the only person taking care of everyone. And it's not like my business is doing well. I can't go.
I am going to do this for you only on one condition.
Hey, Olivia, anything at all. I would do anything just for you to show me the way. Just say it. I would do it.
I am going to disclose this to you, but I do not want you to tell anyone, not even your sister.
Swear.
Calm down, I'm not done. You know, every single person that lives in the city that drives, all the luxurious cars and live their luxurious lifestyle, they all have a secret that they want to disclose. They do not want to disclose to someone. And that is what I expect from you.
I understand perfectly.
You're supposed to pay me for this, but I'm not going to take a dime from you. I'm not done this. You are going to take an oath for me.
Olivia, I swear, I will never.
I never said you should swear. I said an oath. Take this. Now you are going to repeat after me.
Okay.
Alpha.
I'm fine.
What's that your name?
Judy.
Breathe out your leg. But can't you see my bed is white? You want to spoil it? Huh? See. I don't like women who smell. Do you understand me? I don't like women who smell. I'm not trying to insult you, but I don't like women who smell. So you're going to go into the bathroom and wash yourself properly. I'll repeat myself. You go into the bathroom and wash yourself properly. You wash yourself properly. I mean properly. Go. Go. Hurry up.
You do know the significance of what, don't you?
I do.
And I'm also aware that you know the consequences of you breaking this rules. If you ever disclose this to anyone, I'm sure you know what happens. Now you repeat after me. This secret I am about to disclose to you.
This secret that you, Olivia, is about to disclose to me
shouldn't be heard by anyone else.
Shouldn't be heard by anyone else.
If it does.
If it does.
If I eat food which is being cooked with water.
If I eat any food being cooked with water.
Let me die.
Let me die.
Drink up. finish it. I see. Well, stage 1 passed. What are you thinking about?
Nothing. You both should go in and sleep. I'll join you later.
How can you say we should go and sleep peacefully when you are like this? It's obvious something is bothering you.
Just get into the house and sleep. I will join you. I am thinking, and I need to be alone. Not Chisoba, and definitely not Ginika. Not my sisters. They are all I have left. Who then? What do I do now? Oh, Percy, think. Think.
Sister, what is bothering you?
Chisoba, I said leave me alone! Go inside and sleep! I will join you later.
Okay.
Hey, my baby, I don't understand this your sickness again. Eh? It's getting worse by the day. You need to go to another hospital.
The doctor recommended a specialist at Wnted. My love, please, you have to help me. I don't want to die. Please.
You will not die. Stop talking of dying. You will not die when I'm alive. Never. I'm going to do anything to make sure you recover back fully. Even if you want me selling my portion of land, I'm going to sell it. Okay? Tomorrow, we are going to UBTH. You've been in. We are going there. I have some more money in my saving box. It's not that it's small, no. It's big money. It's just that I don't want to bring it out because of until our wedding day. But I'm going to break it and bring the money because of you. So that we'll go to the hospital. Don't worry.
It's the one I love. Thank you so much. You're the best. I love you, baby.
I love you, my baby. I love you. See, nothing will happen. Not instead of you to die, you'll be alive and I will die for you. Yes, I will die for you. Tomorrow, we are going there. If I have I'm ready to spend any money with me. How can I oh God. Don't worry, you go and eat now. Eh? What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of rubbish sickness is this? Holding my baby. See, can you imagine? Even when you're sick, you are still beautiful. My love, you will be fine. Don't worry. Once I'm going and I'm collecting hammer to go and break my saving boss. Tomorrow you will be fine. We are going to the hospital. It's alright. Let me go and get you. You have to eat your food. You have to eat your food. Hi.
Now mama is a drunk. Mama is a drunk. Because of this your wealth. Jimo. Overnight, overnight, tell me, I want to know.
What is this? Hey, look at what she has done to herself. This thing is getting out of hand. Amuri! Papa! Do you see what she's done to herself? Eh? Look at the way she's killing herself. I'm just returning from the village now. Everybody is talking about her lifestyle. Nonye is a drunk. Nonye is a drunk. That is what is in everybody's lips in the village.
Mama, why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? What has gotten into you? This is very shameful. It's very shameful.
Angry.
Papa.
Please, get this thing out of my sight.
But I want to know the source of these words. It's true that money is good.
No. Hey, Mama.
But I want to know the source of this world. Overnight.
It's warm. Mama, get up. Mama, get up.
I'm with a warm water. Tell me.
Wine.
Papa wants to know.
Look, my voice
now. We want to know.
Let's go inside.
Want to know. Everybody want to know. We want to know. I'm with the money, you're nobody. Time is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case you don't know.
Hey! Hello? Are you sick of the head? Get your stinking butt out of my car. Sorry, Mom. You should be sorry for your miserable life. You left your house to come to this place to take a stupid picture. Listen to me, this is luxury. You have no right to come beside it. You and your family cannot even afford it.
Hey, I said I'm sorry, eh? Do not cost my family now. They don't even know me before.
Madam, I cannot know you because I did not know people of poor ladder in the hierarchy and get lost. Get out!
Hi. Are you okay?
Are you a doctor?
No. I saw you having issues with the lady. I just wanted to know if everything is okay.
Are you her advocate? Are you her barrister?
Come on, young lady, don't be rude. Hey, wait, I like
Don't
you.
you dare touch me, are you crazy?
I like your bag, it's red.
Don't
it's
touch my bag!
Red is my favorite color. Take
well,
it
is luxury, you can't afford it.
Really?
Get the hell out.
Fine girl, I like you. Take it easy.
I don't like people like you.
Stop being rude. Why are you being rude? You drive a small car and I drive a big car. My car is more expensive than yours.
Well,
it's a truck.
Fuck you. Damn you.
Whatever.
I
still like you though.
I don't like people of your color. Damn it.
I'm with the money, you're nobody. Time is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case you don't know.
Besides, I can't hand that. I can't the doctor, sir. I got them one. You can not say, I can't even see what is written here. I don't understand what is written in this book.
Baby, the result says I have kidney failure.
Yeah?
And I urgently need a transplant.
Chineke? Kidney? No one I'm seeing only K here. How come?
I don't know.
Don't you chop rice very well before you swallow it. Yeah. This is terrible.
Baby, I don't want to die. Baby, please, you have to help me. I don't want to die. Please.
Hey, how come? Do you swallow sand? No. You don't even eat fufu. How come the kidney problem came? Hey, see, do you people have holy water and olive oil? Let's start praying, Let's start kabashing.
This is not a situation of holy whatever. The doctor said I urgently need this transplant, else I will die in a few weeks.
Is it a lie?
That's why he said I'm scared.
It's him that will die, not you.
I don't want anything to happen to me. Please, my love. You just have to help me. Please.
Yeah? What do we do now? I will not. Don't worry. I will not let you die. I will not be alive and watch you die. Instead, I will die first and watch you die later. Huh? What is all this? Hey, oh my God. Hey. No wonder he wrote this thing here. The way he wrote this K will even make somebody to develop kidney problem. Hey, transplant. Huh?
I don't want to die. My love.
You will not die. Never. You will not die. I will not let you die. See, don't worry. Transplant. Is he not transferring from one polygrade to sticking? You will not die. Is it that doctor that will die? How can you write this? Do you know that the way he wrote this care will cause you kidney problem?
Papa, I heard she's very sick. Who knows if she has contracted a deadly disease?
Ezenwa. Very stubborn. Very stubborn. I don't know what else to do with that boy. Hey! Leave Tessie and her problems alone.
Papa, if it will require you to take him forcefully, we have to do it. Because the Ezenwa I know, he is gone, no? He is far away. Make haste while the sun shines. If not, Tessie will open your hand, collect your only son, and take him away. I have said my own, no. Don't say I did not want.
Okay, yes, I can hear you. It's okay, money will not be the problem. It has never been. Once we get off this call, I will do the transfer for you. 500,000 naira precisely, right? Okay, noted. I will. Okay, thank you. Bye.
That was a very long call.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah. So, what do you do for a living?
I run a few businesses. I have a few businesses in the country and also outside the country. It's kind of confidential,
You must be a very busy woman. And rich too.
Well, busy, yes. Rich, yes, I am. And you're not doing bad for yourself either. You look good.
Oh, thank you. I run a clothing company. I also export and import some type of goods,
Oh, I see.
Right.
That's nice.
So, where would you like us to have lunch?
Caesar's. They make tasty food.
Oh yeah, oh nice. I see you have taste.
Of course I do.
And class too.
Can see that again.
I like your Gucci bag.
Thank you.
Brother, why are you sitting out here alone? It's dark and it's getting dangerous. Let's go inside.
I want to be left alone.
Brother, what is it? Since you came back this evening, you've been seated here all alone. I know I said I won't bother you again, but you're my blood, my brother. If I look at your face, I feel bad. It has to be Tessie. It just has to be Tessie. What else?
It's Tessie.
Oh, what about her now? What is it?
Tessie needs kidney transplant. She needs kidney transplant, else she will die. And I don't want to lose her.
Hi. Is it that bad?
Yes, it is bad.
So what are you going to do? How about her sisters? One of them should donate their kidney to her.
They cannot do it. I will do it.
Never. You do what? Brother, don't even say that. But that is madness. I will not even take it. What if you give it? Give what?
Is it your kidney? Are you okay?
I'm going to go and take back.
Are you mad? Why did I even tell you for the first time? Is it your kidney?
Papa!
Rubbish girl. Why did I even tell you, sir? Look at me, I'm here thinking of my life. Thinking how heaven will be that day, in case if I did not make it. How the road I'm going to use to heaven. She is here to disturb me. Nonsense girl. Let me not say I will not do it. I don't want to lose Tessie. Never!
It's working. He bought it. Yes. Everything is going as planned from my own side. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, listen to me. I already spoke with the doctor. He knows what to do. Tessie, you know what? I'm with a very good friend of mine right now and I need to call you back. Please. Thank you.
Someone sick?
Yes, but she'll be fine.
Oh, okay. Right.
I need to get going.
What? Hey, you requested for water. That's water. You don't want it anymore?
It's just water. I mean, I have dozens of chilled water in my house. I have to get going.
Wait, don't be too fast. Come on. Why are you in a hurry? You know, I was actually enjoying your company, and I thought we'd, go to my room and get to know ourselves better. You know how it seems. Yeah, I mean, come on, stop.
I'm sorry. I actually have to get going. Trust me, because my security is not going to sleep until I get to the house, and then my mates are not going to sleep. So, you know what? Instead of scissors, we'll make use of octopus. Bills are on me. I'll see you some other time. Okay?
Wait, what bills?
Bills. I mean, everything we take are going to be. It's going to be on me. Okay? The bills on me. Don't forget.
Don't let me. Don't come closer. I'm with the money. You're nobody. is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case you don't know.
Why is everyone keeping me under this sun now? Why is it? Look at the time, it's late already.
You see this, your ego is dangerous. Your lifestyle is dangerous.
It was my father and my sister. There was a tug of war. They refused to let me go. I had to fight.
And why is that?
I don't know. They don't want me to go with you.
It's okay, let's go. We are late.
I don't even have my bag.
Your bag? You don't need anything. Let's go. Don't need anything.
Let's go, please.
Sit down now.
So don't worry. We'll go. Is it far?
It's far now. Like 3 hours journey.
What? Who is? Where is my son?
What is that? I said it to come out here right now.
Your son is not here. He went to the city with his sister.
Hi! Papa! Hi! So everyone has gone to the city to donate his kidney to testing. Hi!
Donate fish kidney. So who? I don't understand.
Are you telling me that you don't know about your sister's bad kidney? Or you are just pretending? Beat your sister to tell her you cry. And tell her that I, Ido Puti, is friend. Now I say, if anything happens to my son, let's say my only son, I will drag her throughout the whole world and I will make sure she does it.
Your sister is evil. Your sister is demonic. Very wicked. So she did not see your kidney or that of Bcos to collect for transplant. She chose that of my brother's son. My only brother. Now listen to me. I hope you heard what Papa said. Tell that your stupid sister that if anything happens to my brother, she will pay with her miserable life. And I mean it. I mean it.
Okay, don't worry, let's go. It's my fault. I gave birth to a very useless and idiotic son. Don't worry, but we shall see.
Why you sure you should not sit down here?
Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Don't worry. Take very good care of him. I don't want anything to happen to him.
You'll be fine. You'll wake up soon.
I trust you. I hope everything we discussed is still the same way we said it.
You have nothing to fear. This is what gives us money. Before I leave, I will check up on him. But meanwhile, your friend just called me. He's on his way coming.
Oh, okay. No problem. Thank you very much.
But I want to know the source of these words. It's true that money is good, but I wanna know the source of this world. Overnight, a gas overnight, a gas. Tell me, I want to know.
Doctor, how is he doing?
He's fine. He'll soon wake up. I'm sure.
want to know. Everybody want to know. We want to know. We want to know. What is in your mind?
I'm your father. And you know I love you so much. So I will not allow you to make mistakes that will affect you in the future negatively. I mean mistakes that will affect you adversely. Alright? To tell you the least, I wasn't impressed at all about what your mother said today. In fact, I am totally disappointed in you.
Papa, Emeka and I have known each other for a while now. Yes, Papa. He even said he wants to marry me. But I told him to give me more time to think about it.
He wants to marry you?
Yes, Papa.
Do you love him?
Yes, Papa, I do. Emeka is a nice person. He's really nice. He's nice to me. It's just that he's not well to do. He's poor.
Forget that. Poverty is not the issue here. In fact, money has never been a standard for measuring happiness in any marriage. The most important thing is love. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
Now, what does he do for a living?
Emeka, he's a first-class graduate from the University of Ibadan. Yes, and after graduation, he went to the city to look for a job. So, you know how it is now. It's difficult to get job these days. So, he wasn't successful and then he came back to the village. For now, he came back to the village and for now, he fries and sells garri at Owerri market.
That's not an issue. Doesn't matter.
Says who? Hey Donatus, onye si na nwoke na fry garri does not matter. Onye si na matter ho. Ha! Donatus. Donatus, nekwe ka ị na-achọ ido na nwa gị nwaanyị. Nekwe ka ị na-edo nwa na-achọ ka ido n'anya. Just look at how you are reflecting your name and your lifestyle in the life of your daughter. Eh? Bianne, let me tell you the truth. Let it get into your skull. Oh. Poverty is a very bad disease. It's a killer. It kills faster than malaria.
Papa.
Don't worry, okay? Poverty is not an issue in any marriage. What is important is the love between the couple.
Okay, Papa.
So long as you love him and he equally loves you, you don't have any problem. I am your father. I'm in support of it. Go ahead.
Okay, Papa. Oh.
And you are laughing. No, he lecture you like this and you are laughing. Hey! Angoreka. So there's nothing in this your skull. And when you hear talking about this man is lecturing you with poverty. Eh? And you are smiling. Just look at your teeth. Eh? You are smiling. If you are not ashamed of yourself. Let me tell you, if you marry that poor man, my daughter. Hunger and poverty will just carry your head, turn it upside down. I'm telling you the truth, oh, you die in poverty. Just look at you, Donatus. You are welcoming poverty. That's how you are, who you are since I got married to you. No, you're not ashamed.
Can you see how wicked you are? No, can you see that you are a very wicked human being? Imagine your own daughter. You are laying a curse on her. Are you not wicked?
Oh yes, and I'm
your daughter.
No, who said that I'm laying curse on my daughter?
That's what you're doing.
I am only telling her the simple truth you deprived her. The truth you refuse to tell her, that's what I'm telling her. Donatus, since I got married to you, this is how you are. Welcoming poverty. Singing poverty like song every day, you love it. Welcoming poverty like a baby in your life. That is who you are. I'm ashamed of you. If I had make end up like him, keep ikukubu fuori. Kwange.
No, yeah. I am poor, right? Who are you? You are married to a poor man, which means you are a poor woman. And now you open your mouth. I'm not poor. Open your mouth. By the way, as for the curse you placed on my daughter, return to sender. Oh.
Cause truth does not sit in a cave and hide like lies.
Thank you so much for saving my life. You gave me an opportunity to live again. I will forever be grateful. I don't know what I would have done without you.
You don't have to worry. I did it for love. It's love that pushed me. It has pushed me to this place. So, and I'm happy that part of me is now inside you. We are now one. We are now complete. Half kid in this side, half kid in this side. Also one kid, also one life. I'm happy. You are now me. I'm now you. In fact, my name is Ezenwa. If I answer Eze, you answer the one. You finish it. That is it.
My love, you have to rest because you will soon be discharged from this hospital.
Okay. It's alright because I'm even tired of resting here. My back is already paining me. I was on a woozy mumbo.
So sorry.
Before you know it, I'll have hunchback.
No, you won't. You won't.
It's alright.
I know you will be very hungry. But don't worry.
I'm very hungry.
Olivia is getting food for us.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay, and I'll go to bed. I'll go to bed. What about can you tackle?
I don't know what doctor will say, but she's coming with rice.
Rice again. They should make sure you know you're going. Let it be done very well because I say I think that is what is causing kidney problem. I will chop it well before I swallow.
Yes, that's good. But you just have to eat.
It's alright. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you too. We are now living. This place is beautiful. I feel like living here. But if I live here, I don't trust these people. They will collect the remaining kidney.
You can't live here. This is a hospital.
We have to go home fast. Yes, you have to be going so that I don't trust him again. The way he's pressing me as if you.
Don't be too hard on yourself. This is where the kidney was removed.
You see this side?
Just leave it.
No, doctor, I don't trust him. Oh, my account, Chiriana.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, nah.
Yeah.
This is angel from heaven. Mama. Woo! He said, hey, you will not kill me in this house. Olivia, you really have eyes for good things. Look at how handsome he's looking. Wait. Now welcome, No, Shine, you. Oh, you are laughing. Can you imagine? I'm talking. You are laughing. If you're going to walk a siano. If you can walk a siano, you put a phone to put you out.
Whoa, the dog. Whoa, dog.
It's not going to bite.
No. I don't like dogs. I don't like dogs. Not this type of dog. I don't like this type of dog.
Don't panic.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not.
It's not going to bite.
No, it's not bite you.
Whoa.
No, it will not bite you. Don't jump.
Okay.
Bingo, go, please. This is so you, but doesn't need this.
I don't like dogs.
Bingo. Bingo. The handsome man of Bingo.
Name Bingo.
Bingo.
Oh, right.
Just call it Bingo.
Sorry, please. You need to offload the drinks and food, and please be careful with them. Each one is cost not less than 20k. Do you understand me?
I go why? Yeah, did you hear her?
Okay,
you will
Mama.
be the one to get them. Go and bring them.
Okay,
she
Mama.
will break them. Oh yeah, go. He begin and say, going and say, Safono. Look at you. Go and bring drinks.
Okay,
Let me. If you break any single bottle, I will use the broken pieces to clean up your
Mama,
job.
no problem. I will. Let me go.
Go, Biko.
Okay, Nem. Don't worry. Let me just go and get the drinks. It's nothing.
So you are holding him back. Come on, leave him. Go and get me drinks. Let's go. Now, go. Don't mind my stupid please. Come and sit down. Papa, he wants to bring the wine to order. Come and sit down.
Hi, Adam. Mama. Me no, mama. Ne kiri go be an awesome. Awesome. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
I am so much happy for your success. Now you have brought a handsome man for a husband. Ofungewa. Success engage. Taste for a husband, Ofungewa.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Mama, you should have known your daughter by now. Hey! For her class in the neighborhood. Hey! You should know that I can never settle for less.
I have taste and I spoil class. Hey! If I know, hey yo! How I wish Angoreka, your sister, will learn from you. Any Keneganya Morife. Mama Morizika, they see no more. What for cha. Didn't you see the Gary seller she brought for a husband? If you a very rich man.
Wait, Mama. You mean that's the man Angoreka wants to spend the rest of her life with?
Jomo.
That's wretched! What's wrong with this girl? Did she have an oath with poverty?
Your father has brainwashed her. She's just following the footsteps of your father. That's all. But she will see where she will land herself. Get them wine a picture. She don't want to see that. If you be an enemy.
Hey, Mama, talk about Papa, please. Come and start going there. Before you will say one nonsense that will make my husband to be normal to pay my dowry again. I don't trust that your husband at all.
You're right.
I don't have any other thing to tell you. When elders like us talk, you children will not listen. You think you know it all. Now look at you. You and Tessie left for the city together. You got well and came back. She did not come back. Are you telling me she's still in the hospital? Is that what you're telling me?
Papa, leave Ezenwa. Don't bother yourself, just leave him. Hey, why are you talking to him right now? Is he not seeing it? He's seeing it well. Tessie has left you. She has left you to suffer in this village. She's living big in the city. And you're here, suffering. You will suffer well.
She is not leaving me. She's not leaving me. My man is telling me that she will come back. Okay? She will come back to this village. Where do you want me to go and start looking for her now? My man is telling me that she will come back.
She will not abandon you. She has left you already. She has left you with her friend Olivia. They are living very big in the city. Oh, you don't know that Olivia is married to a rich man? She is married to one big man. Tell me how she will not influence Tessie to marry a rich man too in the city. You're daydreaming. Keep dreaming. Dream well.
She will not even try it. If she try it, both of us will die in this village.
Look at it. No. Where will you say how to fight her? Where? You see, when we elders talk, you children refuse to listen. You think you know it all. Now let me ask you. Have you sometimes taken a good look at the girl you call your girlfriend? Do you have what it takes to marry her? Do you? But shame on you. By the time the money we have here for your drugs are exhausted, you will have to sell your scrotum to buy drugs.
Did you not see it? Every minute, Tessie Tessie. You're looking. Look at the gate well. She's coming. She's coming. Tessie's coming. Look at it well. Tessie here, Tessie there. Now look at your condition. Look at her. She's coming.
I'm winning money, you're nobody. Time is too precious to waste. This is arrogance. In case she don't know, you are arrogance. You see this your ego. It's dangerous. Your lifestyle is dangerous.
This is me and this is my right.
It's dangerous.
Happy. I'm so fine.
You look so fine.
Wow.
You're looking so fine.
Thank you. This is my ride and this is me. I have made it. Period. This is your car. Of course, it's my car. This is my ride and this is Tessie, your sister. This is my phone. Immediate phone album. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hey! I got him saying of course. Actually, this is one of my cars.
See, this is fine.
One of your cars, sister.
Yeah.
One.
Hey, sister. Can't see that this kind of life fits you. See you
Now.
now.
Of course. You better believe what your eyes You have to believe what your eyes is showing you right now. Because this is me. We will not die in poverty.
Amen.
Forbid. Your sister is back and for good. Do you understand? Apatago Mike. Ebutego Mike. I don't see sister, under 1 month, she's about 1 month. Aga me bana kobiye soap. Akobiye tum soap. Listen, God can bless anybody, anytime, any day. Exactly. It doesn't matter how long. Here the important and the blessing, the result. It is important. So ebulugo mike. Ego kaigana atazino daigana atiata. But why are you sounding like this, Chizoba? Are you not happy for me? I'm not
So you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
See your hair now. Hey, this is the kind of life that fits you.
Phone, ego, motor, ego. You need him now. I can't go no more. We've made it. That I make here, you didn't make it.
So this guy is fine.
Of course.
At least everyone will not go and kill himself because he left him.
I know everyone will be feeling very bad. But I have made this money for the both of us. People can say whatever they want to say. I don't care. Yes. From here, I am heading to their house to tell him that his girlfriend, Tessie, is back to take good care of him. Hey, do you understand? And I am sure he'll be super excited about it. All good news.
God is here.
This is arrogance.
But how can you say that? Listen, you don't understand. I am here suffering. You need to send that money quickly. You don't know what I'm going through here. You're just in America. Huh? Yeah.
What's You've been on this call since morning. Cut it now. It's getting too long.
Hey, let me finish. I'm on the phone with my business
Don't tell me that nonsense. If it's a business partner, hurry up, I beg, because if you got rice, I'm going to porridge jam, where you go? What's happening?
Can you have some manners? Hello? Sorry, oh no, it was, I'm actually in a fast food.
You say? Hello? Hello? Wait, did you just say me of the honey? Is it the honey for the main honey? Which honey? That was the woman's voice.
What's wrong with you?
Oscar, that was a woman's voice.
That's my business partner! You said
she said that on food.
She said baby.
Wait! You did. Shut up, let me talk. I beg, let me talk. Shut up your mouth. So you think you can marry me hot Olivia? Bring me to this house and come and convert me to one local girl, Abi? The mama?
Are you normal? What have you done? That's my business partner.
Hey.
What did you hear?
Business partner. He's calling you baby, honey. I swear. Listen,
you didn't hear.
I would have told you. No.
She said basic holics. Don't you know holics?
So I don't know holics anymore.
Basic holics.
No, I'm a dog.
The amount of holics you need to import. I'm an exporter and importer. Have you forgotten?
Import on me. Come this way.
My friend, leave me. What's wrong with you?
Okay, you cannot carry my leg anymore because of that. Or you tell me who the woman is. You are thinking of me. You will tell me who that woman is.
I'm with the money. You're nobody. Time is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case you don't know, you are arrogant.
Okay. Let me go to Olivia's house to see if they will give me her house address in the city. And I will go and do for test there. Because I will not stay like this. It's not possible. I will not end up like this. I have to go to the city and look for test.
I want to live here. You know Olivia's mother is a madman. If we go there now, she'll start displaying and insult us.
Let her insult me. Let her insult me.
That's your baby.
Oh, Daddy.
I am back for good.
Check my eyes. Is there anything wrong with my eyes? Am I seeing clearly?
Nothing is wrong with your eyes.
Am I still alive?
Alive?
Huh?
Tessie. I said, what, this is me. It's Tessie. It's your baby. Hi. It's your baby girl. Yes. Check me out. I have arrived. Welcome. Hey. Thank you. How are you? Hi.
It's you.
Okay.
How is your food?
Hello.
I thought I was seeing double. I see. I'm gonna
this is your Tessie. This is your Tessie. This is your Tessie, and that is her ride.
Don't say it again.
Our ride.
You said what?
Take it well. Observe it very well. Sweetheart.
No, it belongs to you or limiting you.
Oh God, this was stupid. Baby, this is actually our car. Our car. Oh yeah? Yeah. I made it, baby. I made it. Sweetheart. Listen.
Everything I own today, I give you the credit. You don't know how grateful I am that you didn't allow me to die. Honey, I will love you forever. I really appreciate.
Hey! This is you.
Of course.
Then now I believe that this is you.
I've come to take care of my baby.
Hey!
My baby. My baby. My baby. Take it, baby. Take me out. Take me out. Take me out.
This place was not that. The size was not big.
This is how it is.
Wait. That is it. That is my thing. I can confirm.
I can't cheat on you.
I can confirm.
I can't cheat on you.
It's still intact. It's still intact. Oh, baby, we run to the engine. Hey! Fire down. Where is Papa? Come, Papa. Hey! Let me
Hey! Oscar! You think you are mad? I am more than you. Let me not tell you. I am mad. I'm not Kuala. I don't pop. No mechanic can fix me. Do you understand me? But I'm not telling me who the hell is that one that was talking to you on the phone?
Olivia, why do you keep acting like you're from the village? Huh? Can't you act classy for once in your life? Can't you act civil like a responsible person? How can you be asking me who my business partner is?
It's okay.
Do I ask you who your business partners are?
How can I tell you since I got married to you? Have I ever cheated on you?
I'm not cheating on you.
Oh, you're not cheating on me?
I was talking to my business partner. You didn't hear her well. She said basic holics and you said baby honey. What's that? She said basic holics. The amount of holics she's supposed to send to me. You probably didn't hear well and you said she was calling me baby honey. What's that?
Hey, so I don't know English anymore. Let her import it on me. Today, okay, may I export
Can you behave yourself, please? You're embarrassing me. Stop.
I'm embarrassing you?
Yes.
Okay. Today, you will tell me what this one. You will tell me today.
I'm good.
Madam, please. Okay, please now.
This is too early.
Have
you
you seen
do
it?
this all the time.
Have you seen it? Have you seen how you're embarrassing me in front of my maid? Huh? In front of my help?
Are you mad? Get out of this place. I'm not done with you. Since your thing cannot just go straight, it likes going left and rightwards. Let it come this way.
Olivia, I can see that you're not normal. You're mentally disturbed.
I'm not okay.
Now leave me alone.
Me, leave you alone?
Yes.
If not that you're a man, I would have told the beg to come and suck this your nipple. You are mad. In fact, you must finish it.
Are you crazy?
Finish it.
Papa, I'm so sorry if we've made you angry all this while. Everyone is a very nice person. Yes. And I want to use this opportunity to show you people that like equally loving. I've not been deceiving him all this while. Everyone has given me everything that I've ever asked of him. He has shown me nothing but kindness. And this is my time to return all the kindness that he has shown me all these years.
Yes, Papa, you see, they said, what God joined together, let no Papa and sister put asunder. Now, have you seen it?
Tessie.
Yes, Papa.
You really shocked me. Who would have thought that a very beautiful girl like you would place some value on my son?
Papa, am I valueless? Papa, don't say that. I'm not an animal in the bush.
That's not what I'm saying. You see, you don't have money. Do you have money? You don't. You don't have money. Yeah, she loves you. So much so that she came all the way from the city to look for you again. Can't you see she loves you?
She's such a nice person.
Very nice.
Papa, our very family being. I want you to know something. If anyone should come today to my house and tell my people that he wants to marry me, I, Tessie, will follow him immediately.
Is he?
And I also want to tell you, Papa, that Ezenwa will be going with me to the city.
Papa! Hey, me! City!
See that?
Leaving the animals in the bush.
I want to make you the envy of all the boys in this village. You are going to build houses and drive big cars in this village.
Amen.
That's the plan.
Amen.
Amen, Papa.
Amen. Amen. Yeah? Hey, now you are saying exactly what I always wanted to hear.
Papa, you have heard it.
Eh?
Now you have heard it.
Hey.
Yes, so I am going to the city. Animals will miss me. Oh, my animal, bye bye him. Rabbits, they will say they will not have BP. Their BP will come down. That's why is living.
Maybe you will see them in the city.
They have bush buildings. I'll finish them.
Talking about going to the city to better your life. You're talking about bush
Oh my God.
In fact, let me go and pack my things.
You don't need to pick a thing from this house. Leave those racks, right? From now on, you are going to be wearing designers.
Hey.
Designers. That's it.
City people, they have my size.
Of course.
Papa, what are you not telling me? What are you not telling me? Papa, see, you see all those my clothes? I dash you. Let your daughter, your lover, wear the top. You can now wear the down. What of you? I wish you people love life.
No, she will wear the jumper.
I wish you people love life. All my better clothes, Papa, you can wear them. All the better clothes I have, you can wear them.
Take care of him, eh?
Hey, don't wait up for me.
You see this, your ego is dangerous. Your lifestyle is dangerous.
Angela.
Your ego is dangerous.
Angela!
Stop. Your lifestyle is dangerous.
The door is locked. Who locked it?
I'm not with the keys.
Who has it? Olivia, the door is locked. Let me have the keys.
What sort of stupid talk is that? No, you tell me. The door you're talking about happens to be my own door as well, right?
Olivia, for the last time, I am late for my business meeting. Can I have the key?
Go and sit down for Jesus. You cannot do anything.
Look at them. Here. This one is right. This is our house.
Babe? Well, my love. This is our newly acquired home. I hope you like it.
Don't use the word like. Use the word love. In fact, I cherish it. Yeah!
I'm glad you love it.
Go, baby. Everyone will be in this house. Enjoy it. Here! Now, what is nature corner? Nature corner. When we used to, in primary school, they tell us to bring nature corner. This is nature corner. Ha ha!
Just leave me alone.
This is good. This is good. You have done well. Please, where is the bedroom? That one is very important.
This way, my love.
This way.
Yeah.
Wait. Baby. If you're walking, you walk majestically. Walk gently. You see, it's like you're going to scrape this tiles.
Why?
You know, it can be very slippery. One day it will slip you and you fall. You know you're carrying my kidney.
Okay.
You know you're carrying my kidney, half of my life. I don't want you to fall. If you fall, I fall.
My love, I am not going to fall, alright? That's way, let's go.
Please, walk well, majestically.
Bye.
If you fall, I fall. Alright, come and show me.
Olivia, where's my phone?
What sort of stupid question is that? I don't get. Am I supposed to be your phone guard?
Where's my phone? What do you mean? Give me my phone.
Don't even make noise. Do you understand me? I have your phone. I am not going to give it to you.
What does that mean? Hand me my phone now.
Listen to me. You cannot intimidate me. I am not scared of you. I have met men like you, dozens of them, and I know how to handle them things.
Oh yes, I know. You have met a lot of men, not just me. Because you are in a shower, that's what you are. That's what you do. You go around sleeping with different men. That's what you do.
Hey, look at you. Let me tell you something. It is your mother, your children, your body, your children. Okay. You want to fight, Abby? You want to fight? Come on. Come and fight. Come and fight.
It's here. I hope the air condition is working for you.
Yes, madam. Everything is perfect. It's in perfect condition.
And the TV, where is the remote? Okay. You can go get my luggage. Okay.
Hello, Ma. My love. Everyone. My love.
You're a big mistake.
What are you? You are an asset. No, seriously. No, tell me. What do you think you are? You are worth nothing. You think you can lie to me and they put me in this trap that you call marriage and I'll just let it be like that? I will slowly kill you. You're starting to joke my bench.
What about you? Did you not lie to me that you owned a business overseas in America? Did you not marry me because of money?
And so? When you met me, you didn't meet me as hot Olivia. Why are they better? Wasn't I hot?
Yeah.
Was my body not banging? It means I was doing well.
Oh.
You see it?
Yeah.
When you were doing it, when you were enjoying it, Abby, it was sweeting you.
Okay.
But you wanted to marry me, right?
Really?
It actually means that I was doing well with my body before you came into my life with your bad luck.
What were you doing with your body? You were sleeping with different men. A shower, prostitute.
And so?
That's what you are.
That's everything you can call me. From that same shower from me, Fidia, I was able to borrow you money. Money that you're not even able to pay till today. Shame on you.
Look at me. I was doing perfectly well before you came into my life. But what happened? You affected my life with your bad luck, your witchcraft. Your witchcraft.
I'll say.
You shattered my business with your witchcraft.
You still have more to talk. Wait, you still have more to talk. You will give me that money.
Don't worry. My container is on the high sea. I'll clear my goods very soon and I'll give you back that money.
Hey! Your container in that same red sea that I swallowed that many plates today. Your container is never rich. Look at you, sofa man. Useless man, non-entity. Foolish fool. Your mates are out there making money, taking care of the family. Here you are, borrowing money from a woman. I'll pack the money and come and give you. You will collect it. Shame on you. In fact, you will give me that money. You will give me that. It is your fellow man that gave me that money and I gave it to you. You will give me the money since you said in my shower.
Olivia,
give me that money.
I can see your village people are pushing you.
Delay is me. Delay is me. She wanted to escape me. I caught her. How can she escape me? Don't you know I'm a hunter? I'm a hunter in the village. A man and animals couldn't escape from. I caught her. She wants to live without me. Is it good? Eh? I killed 6 bushmeats one night. A human being wants to escape me. What is possible?
Meet everyone.
Don't introduce me. Let me introduce myself. She is my girlfriend. I am her boyfriend. Originally, long time ago, since Anada, we have been dating. As we are talking now, we are planning to get married. And that's it. Yes, it's necessary. In case I'm not getting wow. Nice meeting you too, Mr. Onema. Hey. So this is where you people, city people come and eat money. Hey! The fish go now. Eh? Everything here must be very expensive. What is it?
Stop it! You are embarrassing me in front of my guests.
I'm embarrassing you. Oh, I'm not embarrassing you, you see? When I was giving you kidney, where was your guest? Eh? When I gave you my kidney, half of my life, where was your guest? And I'm not embarrassing you. Remember that you are carrying my kidney here. You are carrying my kidney. I pause it and collect my kidney and go. You will slump here and die. Will your distance give you kidney? No.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry, I will excuse you people so that you discuss your business.
That would be fantastic.
I'll be over there in case any you know. Sit down. Take it easy, watch it. Please, you are carrying my kidney. I don't like okay? People can now talk. I'm over there. Please, let your hand not cross that place. Please. I won't go in. Don't talk to me like that. You are carrying my kidney. If you talk too much, the other kidney will die off. Please, I'm here waiting for you. Now let me can talk.
Sorry.
You are shifting. You are shifting your hand. I'm here. Shift your hand, please. Please. You are moving to him.
He's a comedian.
With my kidney. I'm hearing you. It's alright. With my kidney. Oh, people are laughing. You are laughing with my kidney. You are laughing with my kidney. Okay? Stop doing your hand on your head. What are you thinking? How to rape her? Oh, what is it? Oh, you are no, please don't see. Why are you adjusting?
Why can you just stop?
You have to use that chick teeth and do bed. And I don't see. I've told you don't stop shouting. You are carrying my kidney. I'll come and collect it. All people should talk. I'm listening.
Who is there?
It's me, mother.
Please come in. Oh. Jack, you're quite early.
Yes, I am.
So, what have you got for me?
Well, every information you need is in that file.
Oh, I see.
Well,
thank you very much.
Well, I'll be leaving now, madam.
Sure. Right.
You can call me.
You don't have a problem. Thank you very much. Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you.
Thank you.
All right.
You bastard! Son of a bitch!
What's occupy your thinking? What is in your mind? Do you think we want this money like this? Do you think we want to live this kind of life? Now mama is a drunk. Mama is a drunk. Because of this your wealth. Overnight, they got you. Overnight, they got you. Tell me, I want to know. Overnight, they got you. Overnight, they got you. Tell me, I want to know. I want to know.
Hey! Up! Up! Get up! Get up and do what? Get up! Move! For what? Wear your shoes. Hey, listen. Get up. You're leaving this house today. I am tired of you. I'm tired of your problems. I'm tired of your pressure. You give me pressure. You make me act like a madman. I'm tired of you. Get up! Get up. Listen. Leave me alone. I don't deal with women like you. You. Oh. Leave me alone. Get up. Listen, I know you're pregnant, so I don't want to put pressure on you before they say I've killed someone. So quietly get up and leave my house. Do you pay rent for me? No. Are you the owner of the house? No. I brought you here so I can also ask you to go up. Get up. Get up. Get up. I'm not going anywhere. Get up. Get up. I'm not getting up. You're not getting up. You're not getting up. You want to kill your generation? Get up. Get up. Get up. Go inside. Wait. This is what you used to do. Can you take me now?
Drunkard. Hey! Move your leg from road, let me pass. Drunkard. Olivia. God will pay you back for what you did to your mother. Is this my wife? This is not the woman I married. Hey! No, yeah. She's now a complete drunkard. You're lying there. You will sleep there. I will not bother to wake you. You are going to sleep there. Useless drunkard. Let me go and collect water to drink. Carry your dirty leg from drunk body from road, let me pass. Drunkard. Noye, Master Drunkard, get up from here, oh. Don't block my door. Noye, Noye. Noye, Noye, Noye. Hey, Noye, neighbors, oh. Neighbors, come on, come on. I don't know what is happening to my wife. Oh. Noye! Noye! Neighbors, come on! I don't know what is happening to my wife. Oh. Please come on!
Mr. Fred, it's my pleasure once again. Thank you for bringing out time in your busy schedule to honor this invitation.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So can we now go down to business?
I got you.
Ezenwa.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. What are you doing here?
It's not Jesus Christ, it's Ezenwa. You think you will escape me? Eh? I've told you I'm your shadow. You cannot run away. I'm the water, spirit, and soul in your body. You cannot run away from me. So you left me to come here with this man.
Ezenwa.
When you are carrying my kidney.
Do you realize I'm in the middle of an important meeting? Do you?
I'm not important. If I'm not important, is my kidney not important? The kidney I gave you is important. The one inside me is important. So all of us are important. Gentlemen and ladies, I hope all is well.
There is no problem. Everything is fine. Everyone, take this money. Go out there, look for a cab, and leave. Okay? This meeting is very important to me, and I wouldn't want you to run it.
This is money, not gone. Point gun at me. Go home. Now I will shoot you. I will not do this. You want me to go home and continue to watch television? Why you are here with these men, these criminals?
What?
Yes. You see this one that wanted to kill you with alcohol the other day. Now you are here again with him. This one will use his teeth, open teeth, to do your operation and remove the kidney and hide it in this one's nose. And you want me to leave? I don't trust them. I will not live here. If the meeting is important, let all of us be here. It's very important. I like business. I like business very much. And you know.
Ezenwa, why do you keep doing this to me? Why do you keep disgracing me everywhere I go? Why? What do you even know about business?
I don't know anything about business. Kill 3 rabbits. If you kill 3 rabbits, you sell 2, keep 1 at home. What is it? Is it not business? Have I not been giving you the money that is making you shine like this?
Ezemo or Ezemwa, whatever they call you, this is not to enter bush and kill 3 rabbits and sell 2 and keep 1. We're in the middle of an important meeting. What's your problem?
Oga, please, shut up. Shut up. I don't want to talk to you. The other day, I wanted to kill her with alcohol. Now you failed. Now you replanned to finish her. I will not take it. You went to bring your friend, your criminal friend.
Stop it, for God's sake. Stop
I cannot leave you in between with these 2 men.
they will corner you and butcher you.
Okay.
Kidney. In a kidney. Are you looking for kidney? You want kidney? I will tell you where to go. Go and look for your girlfriend to give you. I get my own girlfriend my kidney, and she wants to push me away.
Please stop already. Stop.
I will not stop until you do the right thing. You sneak out from the house. Now I caught you here. So this is Oga. So this is your render boss. This is where you people gather.
Please, I am sorry for this embarrassment. I will fix it. Alright? Trust me, I will fix it.
See, let me tell you, because of love, I'll go outside and wait for you. By the door.
Thank you.
By the door. I'm not moving an inch from the door. So that once these two men come out without you, I'll call police. Okay, you will not leave. You will not leave. I will search you to make sure you don't have a kidney in your bag.
Cool.
I should go.
Just cool.
I will go. Please sit well. Sit well. See, imagine how where you are sitting. Before you like you will sleep and fall down. Kidney will break. You don't know what it means to have somebody's kidney. Kidney is hard to develop. The kidney has been developing since I was a child. And now I give it to you on a platter of gold. You still not appreciating it. Because you are with two criminals. Are you Jesus Christ that died in the midst of criminals? Don't make sure shift. Make sure the man did not go close. Don't even try to sit close to this one with open teeth. I'm waiting outside. Don't stop looking at me. Will you swallow me? Will you swallow me? You are looking at me with your nose. Nonsense. Is this how you do? That's a real.
What of your love? What you love again? The more you look good, the less you see.
Who's it? Who?
That money is not everything.
So, you think you can hide from me? So this is it. The cars, the house, all my money. Oscar, the small world. A very small world.
Julian, wait.
You thought you could hide from me?
No, I'm not hiding. I'm right here in front of you. Listen, I know you're upset. But if you give me one chance, I will explain. I'll just explain to you.
Oscar!
Everything that happened.
Keep your explanation to yourself. I know everything I want to know.
I know you know.
I warned you, right?
I know, but
remember?
See, I know you're upset, right?
I warned you, Oscar.
Just take a deep breath, then breathe in and breathe out. Once you do that, everything will be fine. I promise you.
Really?
You're upset.
Oscar. Oscar, you could do this.
No. You don't understand. I'm trying to explain to you, but you have to give me another chance. Don't take things personal, please.
Wow. Who is that?
No.
Is that the female?
No, that's my cook.
Will you let go of my hand?
That's my cook.
Let go of my hand.
Wait, see. Let me explain.
Who is?
I'm sorry. Do you want cold water? You don't.
What of Olivia? Have you called her? At least she'll be able to support Mama's medical bills. At least the test. So that the doctor can comment with the treatment.
I called her line severally, but she didn't pick. Yes, at a point the phone was switched off. Yes, and for 3 days now I've been trying it. It's still switched off.
Olivia's phone is off. That's very unlike her. Her phone hardly goes off now. I hope she's okay. This one, her phone is off. I hope she's okay.
I don't know. See, my major concern now is the health of your mother. Huh? Her condition has become very critical. What I need now is money to pay for the first tests.
Papa, 50,000 is not small money. 50,000 is not small money. Eh? How no way go?
Papa, how much do you have now?
It's only 5,000 naira. That is the only money I have left after paying for the drip and the money they charge for opening her file. What will I do?
5,000. 5,000. There's no point I'm here. Let me go to Ogbere market and meet my husband. Maybe he can be able to raise more money. Let me see what he can raise.
Okay.
Okay, Papa, don't worry. Mama will be fine. Oh?
But I want to know the source of these worlds. It's true that money is good, but I wanna know the source of this world. Overnight, a gospel. Overnight.
Oscar, you locked up a woman in the bathroom. Oscar, this is kidnapping.
It's a long story, I can explain.
Yeah, you should have a lot of explanation to do. Oscar, who be this? Who be this anti-works? Who you be? I'm his wife. We got married in the States. And who are you?
Awesome hell. Did I just say you well? Did you just say hell? Oscar! Better get talking before I lose it. All me lose, go lose. Oh, the mechanic is fix him.
I just said I'm his wife.
I am his wife carrying his child, for goodness sake.
What? Oscar! What is going on here?
Awesome, what?
Wait! Hey, young lady, what is going on here?
I mean, you guys need to calm down, eh? Calm down. I'm not the first person who married 2 wives. King Solomon in the Bible married so many wives and had so many concubines. So it's a normal thing.
Since you have come to God, explain to her who I am and who is the baby.
King Solomon. You see this little drama? I don't want it in my house. Out.
Listen, wait.
Get your woman out of my house, please.
Can you stop acting like a village girl? Can you be classy for once? Why you are climbing on my body? So you want to teach my son how to climb trees? Eh?
So when you were doing it, you did not climb on top of me.
Okay,
Can you stop? You're holding me.
No. So what can move back and hold you?
Can you behave?
Stop. Why now?
Stop. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Behave myself.
Are you not seeing these people with guns?
Let's be going now.
Are you not seeing these people with guns?
Send to our child. Let's go. Okay. It's alright. We'll go. Oscar!
Baby, how can you say you don't want to eat? Right? Remember doctor said I should be eating very well because of the kidney. Or you drink water, drink juice. He said you drink fast, take water and drink.
Stop it.
Take water and drink. Doctor said you should be drinking water very well for flush. So that me I will be drinking water very well. Supposed to be drinking too. So if I drink one, you drink one. Doctor said you should not be eating meat. What you do is eat food well and drink juice. Are you angry? If I did not protect my kidney, who will? Why are you getting angry? Come and bring a better food for me. I don't know what you gave me to eat. I'm not familiar with the modern facilities. What is all this? I'm trying to defend my kidney and you are getting angry. What is all this?
Sorry, please. I want to talk to her.
Oscar!
Ma. Sorry, I was taking permission from them to talk to you. Please, can you give me 10 minutes of your time? I'd like to discuss something very important with you.
Oscar,
Ma?
first, get your little woman out of my house. And you have 10 minutes to do that, or you'll be thrown out along with her.
Done.
Your time has started.
Okay.
Few minutes gone.
Oh, yes.
Are you still here?
No, I'm going now. Are they hungry? So I can make something for them to eat.
I'm ready for you, Oscar. I came prepared. Where is my phone?
Huh?
My phone, where is my phone?
Is that why you were standing there looking at yourself like you just finished one? Hold on. I'm sorry, you have to leave.
Excuse me. No, wait, you're joking, right?
No, I'm not. My wife wants you to leave.
What stupid wife are you talking about? Wait, you think you can have your own life back after destroying mine? Look at the condition which you've put me into. In fact, you must be sick in the head. Something is wrong with you.
Listen, I'm sorry. I know how you feel. Listen, I have to explain things to you. Okay, I can't lose everything I have worked for just for you. You're not that special.
Oh, really? I'm not that special. After selling off all my things, the things that I had just to make you comfortable, I am no longer special, right? God will punish you.
Sorry, it's not my fault.
It's not your fault, no, it is my fault. Talk to me, Oscar. It is my own fault, right? It is my fault that you lied to me into this marriage. It is my own fault. You lied to me. You deceived me. It is my fault. Talk to me.
Olivia, listen to me.
Face me if you're a man.
I know you're pregnant. You understand. But I can understand. Alright, but you should also understand me.
I swear your life will be more miserable than my own. You will suffer. You.
Make sure you pack everything. All of your belongings. Don't forget anything, please. I'm expecting some money. When the money comes out, I'll send you some.
To buy with you on your stupid money. I don't need it. Bastard.
Just because you will look cash, everybody becomes right. You could become too. Oh, this is my number. One mind the way you talk, mind the way you speak.
My lord! What did she do? Eh? She left only me here in this house and left. My lord! Yes! She's not inside the room. Where did she go without me? Huh? She left this house without me, leaving me alone here. She left with my kidney. Who will monitor the kidney? She left without me following her. Wait. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm thinking. She left with my kidney. She left with my kidney so that she'll go there and do the kidney anyhow. She doesn't know what to tell me to develop the kidney. I will not take it. Never!
My husband and I have raised the 50,000 naira for Mama's test.
Ah.
Yes, Papa.
That's great.
But where are you off to?
Yeah, I'm going to the hospital.
Oh, okay, then let's go. But what about Olivia? Have you called her again?
I didn't bother to call her again after that time.
Ah, Papa. Papa, you have to call her now, eh? Olivia has the money. She alone can be able to fit Mama's bill without even blinking. Oh, Diego now.
I think you're right. I will call her when we get to the hospital. But let's go and make the deposit first, eh?
Okay.
Pick your call now, pick your call. Why is she not picking her calls? Pick your call, please, pick it up. Hi. Jehovah. Why is Papa calling me now? Why is he calling me now? No, Papa cannot see me in this condition. As a matter of fact, he should not even be calling me at all. Because me, I will not pick. Who's he calling me for? Hey, no. Just
Hello, Julian. Oscar's wife speaking. How may I help you? Hello? Hello? So God, it's even a woman's voice.
And where do you think you're going to? Huh?
Where are you going to?
To my room.
My friend, sit down.
What? Are you talking to me like that? Me, your husband?
Oscar, sit your ass down.
I'm seated now. Where are you going?
This is so sad. I mean, how could they do a thing like this to you? This is pure wickedness.
My dear, that is why I came to you for help. You need to help your sister out. I need your help at this point. Eh? It's not been easy for me. Oh. It's not been easy at all.
And where is your car now?
Eh?
Where is your car?
Car? My sister, I've sold the car. As I'm talking to you right now, I don't even have a dime in my account. I don't have 1 naira with me. I don't.
My goodness.
Not even 80.
Honestly, Olivia, I wish I could help. But I can't. I am stopped right now. I'm into a real estate business a friend of mine introduced me to. And I've practically withdrawn every dime in my account. Because I'm trying to raise my own share of the money. Even as we speak, my car is up for grab. I'm telling you.
No, wait. Casey, you cannot do this to me. You're the only one who can help me out right now. If you don't help me, who will? Casey, think about my condition. What about my unborn child? You are like a sister to me, please. You have to do anything you give me at all. Anything you give. Do I have a choice? Eh? Please. Pico.
Olivia, considering your situation right now, I think you should go back to the village.
Huh?
Yes, so your mom will take care of you in this condition.
No, please don't even go there. So that's the last option. I cannot even stand them seeing me like this.
Girl, you can't keep hiding your problems forever.
But not going back to the village. I can't stand my parents seeing me like this. Tessie, come up fit now. Come up with some other option, please.
Olivia, just calm down and listen to me. Alright? These people are your family. They will assist you. They will take care of you in this condition. After all, you were there for them when it was rosy. Right? Please, you need to go back. Okay? As for me, I'm running away from Ezenwa. I can't even go back to my own house. When he's done staying in that house, he can go back to the village. You need your mother's help now. Let's get her sick. To be able to take you to the village, you need to go home. You can't be here like this. Have you had something to eat? No, don't give me that. You need to eat something. Waiter! Waiter!
Don't let me, don't come close. I'm with the money, you're nobody. Time is too precious to waste.
Arrow! This is a big blow, Donatus. No, yeah. No, yeah. If only you had listened to me. Take heart, Donatus. What has happened has happened. We can't change the hands of time. Be strong for your daughter. Don't tell me to take heart. What will you do? Don't tell me to take heart. No, G, no, G. You were here. I want her to stop drinking. You were a witness. I wonder, but she wouldn't listen. Now her drinking lifestyle, look at what it has cost her. Where is she now? Where?
It's okay. It's okay, oh? Okay. Sorry. Mama, why?
Is she not Olivia?
Papa, is that? What's going on here?
Why is everyone crying? What's going on? Papa, where is Mama? Papa? Mama? Mama?
It's okay, it's okay. Cry.
Can somebody talk to me? Where is my mother? Where is Mama? Where is Mama?
Olivia.
Papa?
Mama is gone. Mama is dead.
Olivia.
Is it true?
Leave this compound now. I said leave this compound now. I don't want to set my eyes on you again. Leave this compound this minute.
Papa.
You have killed your mother.
What are you saying now? How did I
warned you, I said leave. When I was telling you, you didn't listen. You were buying her expensive spirit, wines, drinks. And now you were calling it enjoyment.
Hey, Papa.
Look at what the enjoyment has landed her.
Papa, I am sorry.
In the grave.
I am sorry.
From kidney disease.
Papa, I am sorry. Oh. Papa, I did not mean to kill her. Now I would like my own mother. Because
don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Oh.
I am sorry. Papa, please, I am sorry. I did not mean to get Papa.
This is arrogant. Because she don't know. You are arrogant.
Good afternoon, sir. Please. The door is locked. I'm looking for the key to the door. Do you know where it is? Me, go out. Me, go out. Key, door lock. Me, look for key. Me, go out. Door lock. Key.
Don't let me, don't come close. I'm winning money. You're nobody. Time is too precious to waste.
I want you to tell everyone here what you told me in private. I want your uncles to hear what you told me with their own ears.
I know everyone here has the right to be angry with me, but please, I want you to find it in your heart and forgive me. Papa was right. I killed my mother.
Jesus. Oh, my boy. What are you saying, Olivia?
It was 2 years ago.
Are you sure we can talk here? Is it safe?
It's safe, don't worry.
Okay, here's the deal. There's a request for 3 kidneys. You see, the deputy governor's son needs an urgent kidney transplant. And trust me, the pay is good.
How much are they willing to pay?
For as much as 10 million naira. That's a fair one.
Not for me. 15M and I'll get them a donor.
Okay, let's try and be reasonable. 15 million naira. That's on the high side.
Doc, you should know how this thing works. These boys have gone wide. At least I need to get something out of it.
But I've told you that we can do this business without paying anyone. Just get a healthy person and I'll sedate him or her for days. And before he wakes up, kidney is gone and we share the money.
Doc, you know it's a little bit risky, yeah? It's okay, I'll get back to you on this one. Trust me.
If you say so, I have to run along now.
Yeah.
But I want to know the source of these worlds. It's true that money is good.
So this is what you do for a living? Selling people's kidneys? How could you be this cruel? How could you be this wicked? Don't tell me that, please. I do not care if I am shouting or not. What you are doing is despicable. How disgusting can you be? And here I am wishing to be like you.
Olivia, can you just listen to yourself? We're talking about people's life here. We're saving life as well.
What life are you talking about? Now you tell me, you are selfish. At some other people's expenses? You take their lives so you can sell it and make money? And here you are talking? You are not even ashamed of yourself. You're not.
Olivia, I need you to calm down. Okay, look at it this way. You and I are gonna make huge money out of this. Your father...
I will never do such illegal business with you. Now you listen to me, your business is dirty.
Olivia, can you just hear me out? Bring your voice down. Your family, my family, we're gonna make it big. Think about it. I'm talking about huge money here, Olive. Oh God.
You know what? I don't even know you. No. I don't know you anymore.
Okay, calm down, doctor, please. Holy, oh God.
You said you were going to help me out.
Yes, I will if you're ready.
I am ready.
Cool. But I need you to go home. I don't want you to make an hasty decision. I need you to go home, relax, think about it, come back after 2 days. And then we'll make a good deal. Trust me, we'll make good money. To look the secret to anyone. The day you do, you will die. You will die. You will die if you eat food cooked with water. You must not say that. I am ready. Now say after me. I, Olivia. Now say after me. I, Olivia.
Hey! I deceived Mama. I lured her to follow me to the city. That way it was easy for me to remove her kidney and I sold it for 15 million naira.
This is
anyway.
Wickedness.
Olivia! Olivia, how could you? You're very wicked, you're heartless.
Your own mother.
You sold Mama's kidney all because of money, Olivia. I hate you. I also introduced my friend Tacey to this same business. I am sorry.
Forgive me. That explains their sudden wealth. And I was still blaming my daughters that they are not working hard like you girls. This is wickedness.
You're talking of your daughters. Didn't you blame me? Both of you. You all four, you were here.
I know they do.
I said I would burn the car. You heard me. Not knowing that it was my wife that she used to buy car. Can you imagine that? This evil.
I didn't know.
Out. Olivia. You cannot remain in this compound. In fact, I have disowned you. You are no longer my daughter. Supported. She should leave now. I will kill her.
No.
She should. I will kill you. I will kill you. Stop holding him. Now, what? Kill her. She deserves it.
Do not calm down. What am I? You
cannot lose two.
Yes. Yes.
Lost one.
What am I? Do not do
it. You have lost one.
What am I? Easy. Calm down.
What's the meaning of this? Why can't I go out anymore?
Oh, henceforth your movement is restricted. If it's that important, Musa will have to go with you.
And what does that mean?
Oscar, I don't trust you one bit anymore. I'm watching you 247. I'm watching every of your move. My eyes are on you. I got my eyes on you, baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this, Julian?
I'm with the money, you're nobody. Time is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case you don't know.
Manager, don't do this. I will pay you. I'll pay you, I promise. Don't embarrass me, please.
Definitely you're going to pay when you get to the police station. What's wrong with you? For over 1 week now, they have been promising me that you're going to pay with compensation.
I will compensate you.
And please, I don't need your compensation anymore. Just give me the main money. Look at me, I don't have such amount in my bank account. Do you want my boss to kill me?
Your boss will not kill you. He won't. See, I will pay you. I will pay you today. Before the end of today, I will pay you.
I'm tired of this, your deception.
I'm not deceiving you. I'm certain I will pay today.
Now, or else you see yourself in the police station.
Be calming down, manager. It hasn't gotten to this. We're friends, so we've been friends.
We are never friends.
We've been cool now. Is it because of this money? I will pay you. See, look at me now. Do I look like someone that will run away with someone's money? I will definitely give you your money.
Listen, madam. I have seen your type more than countless times. Okay. See, either you pay now, I take you to the police station myself. No, you don't know me before I start this job here. If you know me before, you will not be here.
Let me just be sincere with you. I am waiting for my friend to come back, so I will pay you all of it today. And it's coming today. By the end of today, you will get your money.
Call him or her to do transfer. Yes, I'll take you to the police station myself. I'm not playing with you. As a matter of fact,
manager,
start
wait, please. Please, calm down. People are listening.
Calm down. Let me hold this one. This one will pay for two.
I'm on my phone, manager. Don't be like this now. You're being difficult and it's not good. I will pay you by the end of today. Please.
Don't provoke me.
Okay, wait. Let me carry my box.
Which box? Is police station your home? Face here now. See, don't allow me to lose my ears. Let's go.
Leave him. Don't leave him. Leave him. Papa, let's help him now. Help him for what?
Everyone here chose to die for love. Didn't he say it? We warned him. He said it. Let it be known that I, Ezema, died for love. Now you want to help him?
But Papa is in the past. Forgive him, he's dying.
Ogadi.
Papa.
Ogadi, I forbid you from touching him. Don't ever touch him. Let him die. Nonsense.
Hey, I can't believe this is what Satesi got herself into. All in the name of becoming rich. Selling kidney for a living. Hey! She's heartless.
Very heartless indeed. Papa and Mama will be hiding their head in the grave in shame. They still drag our parents' good name to the mall. Why? Because of money.
And poor Ezewa. I heard the boy is back to the village and he's very sick. This is so the poor man's kidney. Can you imagine? Hey.
This is so wicked. And now I can't even go anywhere in the village without people pointing at me, referring to me as the sister of a kidney seller. Hey God, I will never forgive her for this. And now Obina don't want to have anything to do with me because of her.
Pesi, you are very heartless, so.
Very heartless.
You are very, very heartless. Anywhere you are a very heartless person. Selling kidney.
Kidney? Somebody's kidney for that matter. Hey!
I need water.
I want to drink water.
Papa! What's the use? You will eventually die.
Papa!
Listen, in case you don't understand, the girl he chose above his family
sold his kidney. Therefore, he must die.
Papa, please.
Let him die.
Let's do something. So, please just help him, please. Forgive him, please.
Let him die. He has to die and he chose to die. Forget him.
Papa, please now. Mother, sorry. Before you know. Sorry, brother.
Tell me what I'm seeing is wrong, 'cause I can't believe you did me wrong.
Sorry. So you'll be fine, yes? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Oh. Brother.
Chizoba. Kinika. It's me, Tessie. Are you two not happy to see me? So the news is everywhere how you and Olivia sells people's kidney to make money. Chizoba, where did you get that kind of news from? Why? Where did I get such lies? Olivia confessed. And it will be better for you to confess as well. What is it? After all that everyone did for you and for us, you sold the young man's kidney. Sister, you this heartless. My sisters, I am sorry. I am not proud of what I've done. I did it for us. I wanted a better life for us. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, my sisters. I'm deeply sorry. Sister, whatever you did it because of your huge appetite for money. Oh, no, Chizoba, no! Sister, we are making honest money. We are making good money that was enough for us. Sister, we are disappointed. Really disappointed at you. Sister, I will advise you leave this village immediately. Because everyone is in a critical condition. My God. Yes. Ezenwa. Yes. And if anything happens to that young man, the youth will not spare you. Not even his father will. Ginika is right. Because we're not even free here. We're not free. We're not safe. I advise you just run away. Sister, when I asked you to make money, I didn't say put your hands in. Ginika, stop it! Stop it! You pushed me, Ginika! How? Hey! Chizoba, what do we do? What do we want to? It's not we, it's you. Just find your way. No, what's gonna happen? No, man. You wanna leave me. I'm very happy. Very heartless indeed. I don't know. I don't even want to be seeing you because I do not want in here. I don't want to be seeing you, sister. No, just go, sister, just go. Chizoba, wait. Chizoba, you don't want to do this. Come and go because I don't know what they will do when they... Sister, this is where I go. I don't know where to go. I can't back. I can't back. You are fine.
It's true that money is good. No doubt. But I want to know just these words.
They don't want my son gone.
Brother, let's go to the hospital. Don't worry. We'll take you to the hospital. Papa, let's take him to the hospital. It's alright. Stand up, oh. Let's go to the hospital. Brother, please. Let me go.
Want to know, everybody want to know. We want to know, we want to know.
I'm here, Stacy, I'm here. What? What's going on? Why is he like this? Why is he not talking? Have you seen what you've done to my brother? I'm No, it's not right. Baby, I'm here. I'm here for us. I'm here. We can be together. You can marry me. Please, just wake up. Wake up and talk to me, please. I don't want to please,
You don't know me. Who are you? Olivia the hotel babe. Olivia the hotel babe. Up at them. Come. I have kidney for sale. Here you go.
See, my grandmother is very sick.
Yes.
Will you buy? I need money. Okay now. Obia. You know why you're not going to do my
hey!
The show I will kidding go for Aftr Jubu.
And I'm matter. Who knows? And I'm matter. Olivia, come and take this one that you're seeing now.
See, you are very lucky. I would have told your own too now.
Respect yourself.
Osinogo.
It's like you want to become Olivia the
prostitute. It's so.
You want to? Oh, you want to use because I take my kidney.
It's a come
hey!
What can happen?
Olivia,
what is one thing, eh?
Just wait.
I need money.
You're a big
fool.
Hey! God gave me witness because I might kill a soul. What? Jesus! Never to lie. You put me on the ground. I have seen that you want to become Olivia Pastor. I am not discussing you again. Right? I'm not here.
Don't go close. I'm with the money. You're nobody. love is too precious to waste. This is arrogant. In case she don't know, you are arrogant. You see this, your ego is dangerous. Your lifestyle is dangerous. This your ego is dangerous. Your lifestyle is dangerous. Bika but begin. Arrogance, bika but begin. No one knows tomorrow. Bika but begin. Arrogance, bika but begin. No one knows tomorrow. Bika but begin. Arrogance, bika but begin. No one knows tomorrow. Just because you get money, but just because
no, enter my body. Enter inside my body.
Everybody becomes right. You could have to you. Oh, this is my number one. Mind the way you talk, mind the way you speak. On that power will be arrogant.